increasing a number by a percentage. So I'm going to start off by finding 15% of 430. Again, first example without a calculator. So 10% of 430 will be 43, and then 5% is going to be 21.5. If I add them together, I end up with 15%, which is going to be 0.5, 4, and 6, so 64.5. This is asking me to increase this time. I then need to do the 430 plus the 64.5, which gives me 494.5 as my total. Second and third question, I'm going to go straight into using a calculator. If I want to decrease 256 by 7%, that means if 256 is worth 100% of the amount I've got, if I want to remove 7% of that, I'm going to be left with 93% of the original amount, and then we can turn that into a decimal as 0.93 times by the 256, and we find that we have 238.08. Increasing works in the same way. This time, however, I've got 100% to start with, and if I'm going to increase it, I'm going to have 102.5%, which if I turn that into a decimal, divide by 100, I get 1.025 times by the amount I've started with, 312, 1.025 times 312, and I get that is 319.8.